very much. Thank you. Honored guests, ladies and gentlemen, I begin my first tour of the United States since I left the office of Prime Minister of Pakistan in the great state of Indiana, in the heartland of America. And what I have to say to you today, I say from my heart. I wonder where and what will we be at that extraordinary moment of time when the huge ball drops and the year 2000 lights up the winter sky. Will we be prisoners of the mindset of the past, or will we be liberated to the possibilities of a historic future? For our generation, the first in recorded history is fundamentally empowered with the control of its own destiny. The chains of the past, colonialism, ignorance, dictatorship, sexism, are broken. The world has finally accepted, in the words of Robert Browning, that ignorance is not innocence, but sin. So I see a third millennium where the gap between the rich and the poor states narrows, where illiteracy and hunger and malnutrition are combated on a global scale. I see a third millennium where human rights are universal and self-determination unabridged anywhere on the world. And I see a third millennium where civil dialogue is restored, where the birth of a girl child is welcomed with the same joy as the birth of a boy child. I see a third millennium where every child is planned, wanted, nurtured, and supported. This is the third millennium I see for my country and for yours, for my children and yours. And before we are interrupted by the Quaker lady to tell us that my time is up, I'll take your leave. Thank you very much, ladies. Thank you very much. Please have a seat or I'll never leave your state.